anniversary, and I also want to thank you for being such an amazing business partner with us.
Happy 5th birthday in cruises! I am so excited to be here with you today. We are so proud of how far you've come in the last 5 years. All of us here at Carnival Cruise Line have been thrilled to welcome you and your members on board our cruises. We have so many exciting things coming out in the next couple years, and we can't wait to continue on this journey with you. So in 2021, we have our newest, largest, most innovative ship to date, Mardi Gras. Now, if that name sounds familiar, it is a throwback to our very first ship in the fleet. The original Mardi Gras was so groundbreaking and so innovative that we wanted to bring the name back to signify how groundbreaking this new Mardi Gras is, not only for Carnival Cruise Line, but for the industry in general. Now, she will be the first ever LNG cruise ship in the North American market. If that's a new term for you, LNG is liquid natural gas. It's more fuel efficient, it's more cost effective, it's more eco-friendly, so it really is a good news story. Now, in addition to being LNG, she'll also hold over 6,600 people, making her the largest Carnival fun ship to date. She'll feature 6 different fun zones, including the first ever roller coaster at sea. I don't know about you all, but I am so excited to try the roller coaster out. So Mardi Gras will be making her debut out of Port Canaveral in 2021, doing 7-day Eastern and exotic Western Caribbean itineraries. Now in 2022, we'll be welcoming sister ship to Mardi Gras, the Carnival Celebration. So Carnival Celebration will have a lot of the same great features as Mardi Gras, along with a few new surprises that have yet to be announced. So Carnival Celebration will make her debut in November of 2022 out of Port Miami, back where it all started, just in time for our 50th anniversary. That's right, we're celebrating a milestone as well. So in 2022, Carnival Cruise Lines turns 50, and we're celebrating in a big way. In March of 2022, we have a series of sailings that will be doing our celebration cruises. This is going to be ships meeting up at sea, and we're going to have the largest party at sea to celebrate our 50-year anniversary. So as you can see, together we have so much to celebrate over the next couple years. Thank you all so much for your support, and together we have a big, bright future.